Hello, are you seeking a job in an IT sector with Java as your main skills? Yes, today in this video I will help you to introduce to a platform where you can learn Java very easily and quickly. Java, as we know, is very important in web applications. It is used by most of the companies in IT sectors. I have recently completed my Java courses from an institute named InteliGenes Technologies, which have taught me very well, and today where I stand is because of that institute. This institute has very skilled and good faculties. The team is very large and they have very good knowledge in each and every sector. I have worked with them, I have learned Java from them, and they have taught me and worked on each and every weakness I have. I also have worked with them in live projects. These live projects helped me a lot to understand things and relate to the real world. You can contact them on the details on screen. Thank you.